parts, everybody. Finally got the parts in. Nissan is trying to be so cheap, sending a $2,400 bumper in a piece of bubble wrap. Not even a box. We already scuffed them. About to paint them. Almost $2,400 bumper, but yet it doesn't come with brackets for the sensors. How do you like that? This is wax and grease remover.
Wipe me down.
Wipe it down.
Wipe me down. Just don't sweat on it.
Now we are going to spray adhesion promoter. It will make paint stick to the plastic bumpers. Now we spray the paint. The bottom spoiler is different color, so we'll spray that now. Now we put the clear. Now we have to transfer everything from the old bumper onto the new one. This is not gonna be fun. Freaking rivets. Sensor brackets, all that mess. Grills from here, molding. Everything on the lip is transferred. Now we'll do the bumper. Now we put the trunk back together. Look at that. Color match. Perfect.
Or is it what do you see as you twist the tiles beneath our feet? What do you see?
So we got this bad boy looking good again. We replaced the bumper cover, the lower lip, the rebar, and the foam. Now we'll get to the prices. The bumper cover is $2,316. The lower lip is $802. The rebar behind the bumper cover is $1,059. The foam between the rebar and the bumper cover is $213. And the front lip is $1,210. So the GTR prices are kind of expensive.